In today's video, I'll be doing a full review on the LossLess coin, and I will show you exactly why I'm so bullish on this project and why I personally think it can skyrocket in this second leg of this bull run. Also, towards the end of this video, I'll be giving you my price predictions for LossLess, so make sure you stay tuned until the very end. But you know, guys, I'm gonna need you to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto. Also, make sure to check out the KuCoin link. In my opinion, KuCoin is literally like the best exchange out there for low cap gems. This second run up in this bull run, I believe, will present us a ton of opportunities, especially with altcoins and low cap gems. And KuCoin, in my opinion, is the best place to find these awesome projects that can 10x, 20x, or possibly even 100x. So make sure you check out the KuCoin link, and now let's jump straight to the video. As you guys know, 2 days ago, I invested $10,000 into LossLess. And 2 days later, my $10,000 is worth, check it out, over $27,000 in 2 days. But I believe this is just the beginning for LossLess, and I think this coin can go even higher. And now let's jump over to their website so we can learn more about this awesome project. And as you can see, it is the first DeFi hack mitigation tool for token creators. LossLess protocol freezes fraudulent transactions based on a set of fraud identification parameters and returns stolen funds back to owners' accounts. Also, one other thing that I would like to mention, LossLess literally has no competitors. I couldn't find a single competitor that does what LossLess do. In my opinion, this presents a great opportunity for LossLess to pretty much take over the entire market, which I think is very possible. Our code detects fraud, freezes and reverses stolen funds. As you guys know, crypto is extremely risky, and there's a lot of fraud, there's a lot of hacks, exchanges get hacked, people's money gets stolen, and in my opinion, this is something that is definitely needed in the crypto space. Token creators insert LossLess code into their protocol to mitigate the losses suffered from the exploits and hacks. They have urgent freezing, fraud analysis, and they are able to reverse stolen funds. They have 2 levels of mitigation. First off, rapid response. A community of white hat hackers build hack spotting bots, scan transactions, and freeze hacks using the LossLess dashboard. Second, LossLess decision making body. The affected tokens creator, the LossLess committee, and independent third-party auditors validate a hack and take action to revert stolen funds back to the rightful owners. And this is pretty much a chart on how they mitigate hacks. Also, it is designed by the minds behind Wix. Let's scroll down even more. Here's their roadmap. Right now we are in Q4, and there's going to be a lot of interesting things, especially with LossLess Bitcoin and LossLess Ethereum. I can't wait for this to be released, and I think this will be a great catalyst to drive the price even higher. But one thing that made me very bullish on LossLess is their team. They have a ton of experience. So here's the LossLess team. If you look underneath their names, you'll be able to see the other projects that they were part of. So they have a ton of experience in the crypto space. Also, they have some amazing advisors as well, from Downmaker, Lithuania AI, and the United Nations IEC. So in my opinion, that is an excellent sign. And here are some of their partners: Downmaker, Master Ventures, Hacking, LaunchX, Poker Foundry, and a couple of other awesome names. In my opinion, the next couple of months are going to see LossLess hit even higher highs. You're probably wondering, what started this massive rally in LossLess? Let me show you. This all started in early October. As you can see from this article, DeFi security project LossLess helps recover 16.7 million from Cream Finance hack. This is excellent simply because LossLess is doing what they claim. They are recovering hacked funds, stolen funds back to their rightful owners. In my opinion, this is what caused the current rally in LossLess. LossLess also plans to ship a security tool that will reportedly aid DeFi projects in preventing hacks and exploits on their platform. As we all know, the DeFi space is extremely diverse and it is humongous. There's billions of dollars in DeFi. And I think once they release this tool, it will make it a lot easier and a lot of people will feel way more comfortable jumping into the space of DeFi. And now let's take a quick look at the chart so I can give you my price prediction on LossLess. But remember guys, make sure to do your own research. I am not a financial advisor. Do not take this as financial advice. I'm extremely bullish on LossLess and I love this project. Also, I am personally invested, as you guys know from the previous video. So these are just my opinions. Make sure to do your research before you invest. As you can see, the price of LossLess right now is $2.46. It is up just over 33% on the day. But most importantly, look at the market cap. It is still extremely low, only 55 million. 2 days ago, it was just over 13 million. Now we are passing 55. I still believe that the market cap is extremely low compared to other projects. Also keep in mind, LossLess has no competition. There's no other company, no other project offering what LossLess offers. So the market is there for the taking. And when we look at the chart, you will see that it is very, very bullish. And the 7-day chart looks absolutely amazing. Look at this amazing run upward. And there's no slowing down in sight. When we look at the 1-month chart, look at that. Just up, up, and away. The more people learn about LossLess, the more they realize the potential that this project offers. And with such a low market cap, the sky's the limit for this project. And when we compare LossLess to other coins in the top 50 or top 100 on CoinMarketCap, you will see the true potential that LossLess offers. For example, let's take a look at Litecoin. Its market cap is over 14 billion. And in my opinion, half of the people that own Litecoin have no idea what it actually does. But it has a humongous evaluation. Also, Bitcoin Cash and a ton of other projects that have these billion-dollar evaluations, and pretty much like nobody knows what they do. And finally, my price prediction for LossLess. I believe in the short term, 3 to 6 weeks, LossLess can easily hit $20 or more. That is my short-term prediction. But long-term, I see LossLess going over 100, possibly even over $200 per coin. So in my opinion, it is definitely a coin that you want to have in your portfolio for the long term. Right now, they are the only one in this space, and I think they can become the industry leader when it comes to recovering funds, when it comes to security in the crypto space. So the sky's the limit for this coin. Also keep in mind that low cap gems like this one tend to be very volatile. They can go up 100% one day and then drop 100% the next day. That is just the name of the game. Alright everybody, that concludes this quick little video about LossLess. If you enjoyed it, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also let me know in the comment section below what are your thoughts on this project. Also check out the KuCoin link if you are looking for low cap gems. If you want those massive gains of 10x, 50x, 100x, KuCoin is the best place to find them. And as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.